Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little demo of Happy Chick. It's this app right here. If you needed assistance on getting it on the Fire Stick, you can watch my How to Sideload Fire Stick app or Fire Stick TV, or my How to Jailbreak the Fire Stick. Okay, so this is it right here, Happy Chick. Um, just a little bit about it is it's going to show you on the corner of the screen how much memory you have left on the Fire Stick. Uh, so it's going to give you the rankings, the latest search, recommended categories. So you got your PlayStation games here, Nintendo 64 games here, Dreamcast games, Mega Drive, which is Sega Genesis, uh, Super Nintendo and arcade games, and obviously those are self-explanatory. Okay, so the way you're going to use this app is you're going to go to whatever the console. You can also do a search on a game too. You can use the search engine right here, search, and you can type in a game right here, Mario. It's loading here. Let me go ahead and pick the games that I don't have on the Fire Stick so you can see how it looks. If I don't have a game, Mario. Okay, so I'm gonna just put Mario Bros 3. So you're gonna download the game and then you're gonna launch it. Right here it's showing you who's player 1, player 2, player 3, player 4. On this app you can play multiple players here. So right now I'm going to use my Fire Stick remote as a controller. So I'm going to use Amazon Fire TV stick as a remote. Right here it's going to show you the you can configure this remote as a controller. I do have another video on that if you want to watch that, on how to configure your remote for this app. Let me go ahead and configure this real fast. I'll be right back. Okay, it's set up. So I'm going to go ahead and hit launch. I'm going to go ahead and hit it again, and then it's going to start the game. To exit out of the game, you're going to hit the back button right here. Takes you to this screen. It tells you how much memory you have, how much memory the game takes up. You can favorite the game, you can like the game. Gives you a little bit of screenshots here on the bottom, related games. Go to the back. So if I wanted to uninstall this app, if I wanted to clear up some space, I'm just going to go to the game. I'm sorry, you're going to go to manage. You're going to go to uninstall game. You're going to choose the game. You're going to choose uninstall. So now that game is no longer on my Fire Stick. That would be good for games that are going to take up more space, like the PlayStation games. Those games take up a lot more space, almost half a gig. 236 megabytes. This one right here, 476 megabytes. You can check for updates right here. I don't think any update is available right now. Normally, whenever there is an update available, whenever you open up Happy Chick, it'll prompt you to update. So categories, topics, recommended. At the moment, right now, Nintendo 64 games are not working right now. I don't have an ETA of whenever they will fix the Nintendo 64 games. Let me just test it real fast again, see if it launches. Yeah, so that's what happens. They just crash. Pretty much any other game, even the Dreamcast games are working right now, but it's just the Nintendo 64 games for some reason are not working right now. The processing power for the Dreamcast, the processing power of the Fire Stick can't support the Dreamcast games too good. I've tried playing a couple Dreamcast games; they're pretty laggy. I'll make another video on that just to show you how they run. But everything else works pretty well. The PlayStation games work good. Super Nintendo, Sega Genesis, and the first Nintendo are working fine right now. Yeah, but the cool thing about this is an all-in-one emulator, so you don't have to go look for ROMs online, or you don't have to look for ISOs or anything like that. You just have to go to this app, download the game, launch, and you're good to go. If you have any questions, comments, or anything like that, just leave it in the comments. Thank you.